Hey, what's up, guys? It's Flores Says Hops, and holy fucking shit, we are back. We are fucking back. I've been having technological problems. Uh, have all of this shit going on. I had my mic wasn't working, my controller wasn't working, nothing is working. My controller still isn't working. It disconnects from my Xbox. It's such a pain in the ass, but I'm getting stuff fixed. And I did want to make an update until things were fixed. I got my mic fixed, as you can clearly tell. Yeah. Also, last video I made was 2 months ago, which was this. By the way, thank you for the support on that. 13 views for how many subscribers I do have. That's a lot. Thank you. This had a lot of views. I just want to appreciate all of the views you guys give me. All right, I appreciate it. I really do. I wanted to make this video just for you guys to know that I'm back. I'm back, and I ain't going nowhere. I love you guys.